When we look into a mirror, what we see is a reflection. This reflection is not something separate from us. It is a precise image of who we are at that moment. The mirror principle suggests that our reality works in much the same way. The world around us, our experiences, and the people we encounter all reflect our inner state. If we wish to change our reality, we must first change ourselves. Consider this. If you stand in front of a mirror and frown, the image will frown back at you. If you smile, the reflection smiles too. The mirror does not alter the image, it simply reflects it. Our life circumstances are like that mirror. They reflect our beliefs, thoughts, and feelings. If we constantly encounter frustration and disappointment, it is a sign that these emotions are prevalent within us. To see a different reflection, we must change what we project. The first lesson in understanding the mirror principle is to recognize that our external world is a direct reflection of our inner world. This concept can be both empowering and daunting. It means that we hold the power to shape our experiences, but it also holds us accountable for our current state. When you look at your life, what do you see reflected back? Are there patterns of behavior or recurring situations that you wish to change? These patterns are not random. They are telling you something important about yourself. To begin transforming your reality, you must first cultivate self-awareness. This involves observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment. What are the dominant thoughts that run through your mind each day? Are they filled with self-doubt, fear, and negativity, or are they encouraging and optimistic? The quality of your thoughts directly influences the quality of your life. If you find that your mind is often clouded with negativity, this is the first area to address. One practical way to shift your inner state is through gratitude. When we focus on what we are grateful for, our perspective shifts from lack to abundance. This change in focus can drastically alter the reflection we see in our lives. Each day, take a moment to reflect on the things you are thankful for. This small practice can produce significant changes over time. Click subscribe to this channel to get more profound spiritual lessons. Another crucial aspect is self-compassion. Often, we are our harshest critics. This inner criticism can create a reality filled with self-imposed limitations and obstacles. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a dear friend. When you make a mistake or face a setback, instead of berating yourself, acknowledge your humanity and learn from the experience. This shift in how you treat yourself will be mirrored in how the world treats you. As you start to change your inner dialogue and cultivate positive emotions, you will notice a shift in your external reality. People will respond to you differently, opportunities will arise, and life will begin to reflect the changes you have made within. It is a process that requires patience and persistence, but the results are profound. Now, consider this deep question. What are the recurring themes in your life, and how might they be reflecting your inner state? This introspection is crucial because it provides the blueprint for the changes you need to make. By understanding the connection between your inner world and your outer experiences, you can begin to consciously create the life you desire. Unlocking the mirror principle. Transforming beliefs and emotions to create your desired reality. Building on the foundation of self-awareness, the next step in applying the mirror principle is to understand the role of beliefs. Our beliefs are powerful forces that shape our reality. They are like the programming code that runs in the background of our lives, dictating how we perceive and interact with the world. If these beliefs are limiting or negative, they will be mirrored in our experiences. To change your reality, you must identify and transform limiting beliefs. This process begins with introspection. Ask yourself, what do I believe about myself and the world around me? Are these beliefs empowering or do they hold me back? Common limiting beliefs include thoughts like, I am not good enough, I don't deserve success, or the world is a hostile place. These beliefs act as filters, shaping how we interpret our experiences and the actions we take. Once you have identified your limiting beliefs, challenge them. Question their validity and look for evidence that contradicts them. For example, if you believe that you are not good enough, recall instances where you have succeeded or received praise. This evidence can help you reframe your belief into something more empowering, such as, I am capable and worthy of success. Replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones is a gradual process. Affirmations can be a useful tool in this journey. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly. They help to reprogram your subconscious mind with new, empowering beliefs. For example, if you struggle with self-worth, you might use affirmations like, I am worthy of love and respect, or I am confident and capable. Over time, these affirmations can help to shift your inner landscape. Another practical approach is visualization. Visualization involves imagining yourself experiencing the reality you desire. This involves creating a detailed mental picture of your desired outcomes and immersing yourself in the emotions associated with them. When you visualize regularly, you align your subconscious mind with your goals, making them feel more attainable. This practice can significantly influence your beliefs and consequently the reality you experience. As you work on transforming your beliefs, it is also essential to pay attention to your language. The words we use, both in our thoughts and spoken aloud, have a profound impact on our reality. Language shapes our perceptions and can reinforce either limiting or empowering beliefs. Notice how you talk about yourself and your circumstances. Are your words supportive and uplifting, or do they reflect doubt and negativity? By consciously choosing positive and empowering language, you can further reinforce the changes you're making within. Now, consider the role of emotions in the mirror principle. Emotions are energy in motion, and they have a powerful influence on what we attract into our lives. Positive emotions like joy, gratitude, and love resonate at a higher frequency and attract similar experiences. Conversely, negative emotions like fear, anger, and sadness resonate at a lower frequency and can draw more negativity into our lives. To change your reality, it is crucial to cultivate positive emotions intentionally. One effective way to do this is through practices that elevate your emotional state, such as meditation, mindfulness, and spending time in nature. These practices help to calm the mind, center your thoughts, and connect you with a sense of inner peace and well-being. Additionally, engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment can naturally elevate your emotional state and create a positive ripple effect in your life. As you begin to notice changes in your external reality, it is essential to remain patient and persistent. Transformation is a process that takes time, and setbacks are a natural part of the journey. When you encounter challenges or regress into old patterns, view these moments as opportunities for growth and learning. Each setback provides valuable insights into areas that may need further attention and healing. Now, let's reflect on a profound question. How do your current beliefs and emotions shape the reality you are experiencing? This introspective question can guide you in identifying areas where you may need to make changes to align your inner state with the reality you desire. Relationships as mirrors. Unlocking the secrets of your inner world. As we delve deeper into the mirror principle, it becomes clear that relationships are a significant aspect of our reality that reflect our inner state. The people we attract into our lives and the dynamics we experience with them serve as mirrors for our own beliefs, attitudes, and unresolved issues. Understanding this can provide profound insights into ourselves and our personal growth journey. Consider the relationships in your life. Are there recurring patterns, such as conflict, misunderstanding, or a sense of unfulfillment? These patterns are not mere coincidences. They are reflections of your inner world. For example, if you find yourself repeatedly in relationships where you feel undervalued, it may indicate a belief that you're not worthy of respect and appreciation. To change these patterns, you must first address the underlying beliefs and emotions within yourself. One practical approach to transforming your relationships is through the practice of self-love and self-respect. When you cultivate a deep sense of love and respect for yourself, you naturally attract relationships that reflect these qualities. Start by setting healthy boundaries and communicating your needs and desires clearly. This not only enhances your self-esteem, but also sets the standard for how others should treat you. Another important aspect is forgiveness. Holding on to grudges and past hurts can create a negative emotional residue that affects your current relationships. Forgiveness is not about condoning the actions of others, but about releasing the emotional burden and freeing yourself from the past. By practicing forgiveness, you can clear the emotional clutter and create space for healthier, more fulfilling relationships. The mirror principle also applies to the way we perceive and interact with others. Often, the qualities we admire or dislike in others are reflections of aspects within ourselves. If you find yourself judging someone harshly, take a moment to reflect on whether this judgment reveals something about your own beliefs or insecurities. Conversely, if you admire certain qualities in others, recognize that these qualities are also present within you, waiting to be expressed. To deepen your understanding of relationships as mirrors, practice empathy and active listening. When you truly listen to others and try to understand their perspectives, you gain valuable insights into your own beliefs and behaviors. This practice fosters compassion and strengthens your connections with others, creating a more harmonious and supportive reality. Now, consider this thought-provoking question. What do your relationships reveal about your inner state, and how can you use this awareness to create more fulfilling connections? Reflecting on this question can provide valuable insights into the changes you need to make within yourself to transform your relationships and, by extension, your reality. Mastering your reality. The mirror principle in all aspects of life. In the final part of our exploration of the mirror principle, let's focus on the broader aspects of life, such as career, health, and overall well-being. These areas of our lives also serve as mirrors, reflecting our inner beliefs, attitudes, and emotional states. When we examine these aspects of our lives, we gain a comprehensive understanding of how our inner world shapes our external reality. Let's start with your career or professional life. If you feel unfulfilled or constantly face obstacles at work, it might be a reflection of your beliefs about your own capabilities and worthiness. Do you believe that you deserve success and recognition? Or do you harbor doubts about your skills and potential? To transform your professional reality, begin by addressing these inner beliefs. Affirm your strengths and capabilities regularly. Visualize yourself achieving your career goals with confidence and enthusiasm. Over time, this positive mindset will be mirrored in your professional experiences. Your health is another critical area that reflects your inner state. Chronic stress, anxiety, and negative emotions can manifest as physical ailments. Conversely, a positive mindset and emotional well-being can contribute to better physical health. Pay attention to your body and how it responds to your thoughts and emotions. Practices such as mindfulness, meditation, and regular physical activity can help maintain a healthy balance between your mind and body. By cultivating a positive inner state, you create a foundation for better health and vitality. Overall well-being includes your sense of happiness, contentment, and life satisfaction. If you find yourself feeling perpetually unhappy or dissatisfied, it may be a sign that your inner world needs attention. Evaluate your daily thoughts and emotions. Are you focused on what is lacking in your life, or do you appreciate what you have? Shifting your focus from scarcity to abundance can profoundly impact your overall well-being. Gratitude exercises, where you regularly acknowledge and appreciate the positive aspects of your life, can enhance your sense of fulfillment and joy. Another essential aspect to consider is your environment. The spaces you inhabit, whether at home or work, are reflections of your inner state. A cluttered, chaotic environment may indicate an unsettled mind, while a clean, organized space reflects clarity and order. Take time to create environments that support your well-being and reflect the reality you wish to experience. Decluttering, decorating with items that bring you joy, and ensuring your spaces are conducive to relaxation and productivity can all contribute to a positive external reflection of your internal state. It is also important to recognize the role of intention and action in the mirror principle. While changing your inner state is crucial, it must be complemented by intentional actions. Your beliefs and thoughts set the foundation, but your actions bring them to life. Align your actions with your new beliefs and goals. If you believe in your worthiness of success, take steps that demonstrate this belief, such as pursuing new opportunities, investing in your skills, and taking calculated risks. Your actions, driven by your transformed inner state, will help manifest the reality you desire. As we conclude this exploration of the mirror principle, I invite you to reflect on this final deep question. What intentional actions can you take today that align with your transformed inner beliefs and goals? Consider how these actions will contribute to the reality you wish to create, and commit to taking them consistently. In summary, the mirror principle teaches us that our external reality is a reflection of our inner world. By cultivating self-awareness, transforming limiting beliefs, and fostering positive emotions, we can change what is reflected back to us. Our relationships, career, health, and overall well-being all serve as mirrors, providing valuable insights into the changes we need to make within ourselves. Through gratitude, self-compassion, forgiveness, and intentional action, we can create a reality that aligns with our true desires and aspirations. Thank you for joining me on this profound journey of self-discovery and transformation. Remember, the power to change your reality lies within you. Embrace this power and watch as your external world begins to mirror the positive changes you make within.